Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to FreeCAD Fun channel. Today I'm going to create this modeling practice. It's like view profile in the circle and hole. So let's get to the FreeCAD. Start with part design and then create body. Next create sketch. Now I'm going to create the view profile. So I'm going to exit plan, click exit plan and OK. Now using Polyline to create view profile. Click this line, make it horizontal. Okay, now check for the dimension. Length of 120 and then the height 50 plus 40, 90 and the thickness 15 and 20. Okay, now create this point and this axis symmetry. Okay, now create dimension for 120. Okay, now create this thickness for 20. Same with this thickness dimension 20 and this thickness for 15 millimeter. Okay, now create height for 90 millimeter. Okay, now sketch is green. Now close the sketch. So unhide the plane, hide EZ plane, hide XY plane, Z axis, Y axis and X axis. So I'm going to create path with the symmetric to plane. Let's check for the height for 80 millimeter. So 80 millimeter. Okay. Let's check for the lighten. Okay, now and then for color let's try emerald and the color purple. Okay, now so close the color and then create the half circle for radius of 40. So click this line, use control, click this line, click this line, click this line, and fillet for 40 millimeter. Maybe 39.9. Okay. Okay, now let's create hole. Go to the sketch and then click external geometric. Then create circle with the diameter 32. Click this circle and then create diameter 32 millimeter. Okay, sketch green, full constraint. Close the sketch and then create pocket. Now I'm going to through all, maybe to first, no, through all. Okay, now hole is created. Now I'm going to create this circle and hole for the outer diameter 80 and inside 60, and then the hole of 30 millimeter, thickness 20 and inside thickness 15 millimeter. Okay, now click this face and then click sketch. Now create this circle for the diameter 80 millimeter, and then diameter 80 millimeter first for the pad. So close the sketch. Now create pad for thickness of 20. Okay, now go to this face and click sketch again for the circle and click for dimension diameter of 60. Okay, now close the sketch and then create pocket for depth 50 millimeter. Okay, now for the last one, click this face and then create sketch for circle with the diameter of 30. Okay, now fully constrained. Now close the sketch. Now we can pocket. I go to first. Okay, same height. Now click OK. Hide the plane. Now practice is finished. Let's check again with drawing. Okay, it's good now. Same. So this is finish practice. Okay everyone, thank you for watching. See you again in the next practice. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.